We continue tracking developing news on the coronavirus concerns. U.S. Surgeon General is emphasizing the next 2 weeks very crucial to fighting this pandemic in the United States. In an interview now with CBS, Jerome Adams warned if Americans don't take it seriously, the nation could see an outbreak just like Italy has been having, where more than 31,000 people have already been diagnosed and at least 2,500 have died.
Local health departments releasing some new guidelines. In Rhode Island, all dentists have been directed to suspend all non-urgent treatments for 21 days. Hospitals across Massachusetts have also canceled hundreds of non-essential procedures and appointments.
More help is available to those who need it. Providence Bishop Thomas Tobin has ordered Catholic Social Services to distribute Stop and Shop gift cards to those who are temporarily out of work. Those will be distributed beginning today at the social service offices in Woonsocket, West Warwick, and also Wakefield. The state also announcing broader help for Rhode Islanders in need during this crisis.
And we do have in-depth team coverage, beginning with Eyewitness News reporter Brandon Truitt. He's live in our control room.
Hey, Patrick, Danielle, good morning. Well, for the next few weeks or so, things are going to be up in the air for a lot of people. This is about making ends meet. And as upsetting or as crippling as this virus is from a health perspective, financially, well, it's going to be hard for a lot of people. Within hours of Governor Gina Raimondo announcing that dine-in service restriction on Monday, unemployment claims had skyrocketed. In fact, Rhode Island has seen 10,000 claims over the past week. That number was sitting at 10 just a few days ago. Governor Raimondo says the Department of Labor is expediting those claims. In cities like Warwick and East Providence, they are adjusting payment deadlines for residents. In Warwick, all real estate, personal property, and motor vehicle taxes are extended to May 15th. Utility bills are not due until June 1st. And just yesterday, my colleague Kim Kalunian asked Governor Gina Raimondo if she encourages other cities to do the same. Raimondo saying only if they can.
It's a balance, it is a balance. It depends on how well financed they are as cities and towns. It's in nobody's interest for any city to run out of money. So, this is all about balance, judgment, taking it a day at a time, doing the best you can with what you know at the given moment.
The mayor of Warwick reminding people that you can make some of those payments online if you're able to. That way you don't have to leave the house, but can make those deadlines. Nonetheless, a lot of those who are out of a job are working for small businesses. Just yesterday, Governor Gina Raimondo announced that some relief might be on the way for them. My colleague Alexandra Leslie joining us now live with that part of the story. Alex?
Good morning, Brandon. Well, this is the kind of good news that businesses have been waiting for after many restaurants, as we know, forced to suspend dine-in services. It's a huge hit to the service industry, and as also the limit on large gatherings, this has also forced some businesses to temporarily close or lay off employees. Now, yesterday, Governor Gina Raimondo announced that the Small Business Administration approved her disaster declaration. So this means that low-interest loans will be available for small businesses in Rhode Island. Plus, assistance is also available in neighboring counties in Connecticut and Massachusetts. But there's more than just loans. The governor also announced new ways to make working from home a little bit easier. Microsoft has announced it will provide its Office 365 program to businesses at no cost for the next 6 months. This includes telecommunications plus web-based resources for remote employees. Now, this applies to small businesses, private nonprofits, small agricultural cooperatives, and more that have been financially impacted by COVID-19 since January 31st of this year. Loans of up to $2 million are available to help with payroll, fixed debts, and anything that can't be paid due to the impact of COVID-19. You can apply on SBA's website or call 521-HELP for more information. Now, speaking of working remotely, it's something that even I am doing right now. In case you missed it at the top of the hour, I'll explain more about why coming up. For now, reporting live in Pawtucket, I'm Alexandra Leslie, Eyewitness News.